Hello, everybody. Chess. Yes, today I'm going to talk about chess because a very important international event is going on in Singapore. Chess is a game which most of you know that it sharpens your brain, keeps away all the brain diseases as much as possible, and your mathematics and your thinking power is tremendously high if you are a player of chess. Chess has been basically known by the three people whose name every chess player knows: Bobby Fischer from America, Garry Kasparov from Russia, and Viswanathan Anand from India. Viswanathan Anand is the living legend of chess. They have been the grandmasters and the world champions. Now let me come to the point straight away. For the first time in the history of chess, a world title clash between the Indian guy, that is Gukesh, and a Chinese Ding Liren is being played in Singapore. And Singaporeans feel very proud that a tournament of this level has been allotted to them. Parallel to this world title clash, Singapore International Open tournament has been organized by the Singapore Chess Federation, which is going on parallel to the world title matches. There are 14 matches to be played between the two claimants of the world title, the Gukesh and Ding. And this the other tournament is going on in which about 600 players from all over the world are participating. The higher rating, the first half of the higher rating are put in Group A, and the below half of the ratings, as per FIDE, are grouped in Group B. The tournament has been so well organized that I need to mention it, that they are fantastically, it has been organized in the world famous island of Sentosa in Singapore at the Resorts World Convention Center. What a beauty of the arrangements, of the halls, of the system which they are working. There is no chance of any cheating. All the bags of the players, along with their mobiles or any other electronic gadgets, including analog watches, are being deposited before the tournament, before the match starts. The place is totally searched, is totally under surveillance by the volunteers of the Chess Federation, and there is no scope of talking or doing any sort of calculation about the games. The tournament is halfway. Incidentally, I'm also playing in the tournament, and we'll see the results after the tournament is over, what it happens. But the arrangements are very, very high, above the par. I must congratulate the Singapore Chess Federation and the government of Singapore for bidding for this tournament and then getting it and completing it very, very successfully. There are about 10 enclosures, 10 halls in which all the around 600 players are playing their matches. There are the boards are placed in the halls. Somewhere there are about 100 boards, there are 50 boards, 20 boards, something like that, distributed very well. So I just wanted to give a brief introduction of this the duo tournament which is going on in Singapore, and all the best to the Indian guy, to the Chinese guy, and to all the players who are playing in the Singapore International